Changing RBC account type is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. You need to follow these instructions displayed on your screen. To change your account type at RBC, you need to go to the account details page. For the account you want to switch and select change account type. You can then choose the new account type and follow the steps to complete the switch. You will receive a confirmation message in your online banking message center within 3 to 5 business days. Once your request has been processed, review your account statements and online banking to ensure the change has been implemented correctly. If you don't see the change reflected in your account or have any concerns, contact RBC's customer service again to verify the status of the account type change. Depending on the new account type, you may need to meet certain criteria, such as maintaining a minimum balance or setting up direct deposits. Ensure you meet these requirements to avoid any issues with the new account. Keep in mind that the account types may have specific eligibility requirements or fee associated with them. It's important to fully understand the terms of your new account to ensure it aligns with your financial goals.